Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
William!
And how old are you, William?
7.
So we're going to show how to do the cat.
Don't look like I'm 7, but it takes a lot of days until I look like I'm 7.
Now, can you make a rounded hand shape, like your beautiful stone position on the keys like this? Will? Hurry, we're out of time, remember?
Okay, let's do this.
Make your beautiful stone shape. You sit down with your perfect piano posture, make your beautiful stone shape. I see some droopy wrists. Are your shoulders relaxed? Relax.
They
have to drop where I'm tapping. See how your shoulders are like this? Drop. Let it drop where I'm tapping.
don't drop.
They have to drop now, or else no candy. I'm kidding. I'll still give you candy, but try to drop it. Let's drop.
If I do that,
It's
if I
hard,
do
isn't
that,
it?
it'll lower my hands.
So put your back tall. Now
Why?
scoot your bottom back because you're a little too close. And now, keep your back tall. See if you check your distance. Okay, now rounded shape. Back tall. Shoulders down. There. Oh, good. Okay, now don't move your shoulders. Don't move the shoulders. Just round there. Okay. All right. So we have the beautiful stone position, and then we roll forward towards the fall board to do a cat back.
They're back up.
They're back up. Your shoulders are out of control.
Well, when I push my fingers up on the piano on these while I'm doing music class, they just start to
I know. A lot of people.
push.
Do you know what I have to do? Watch my shoulders and tap when you see something bad happen. Students, I have to do that all day long to people. Oh, much better. Okay, so make your beautiful stone.
And bam.
What are these wrists? Oh my goodness, I taught you nothing. And then roll your wrists forward towards the fall board. Do a cat back. Leap! Land on your fingertips. But don't leap with your body, just with your hands. Your hands are the cats. Roll forward. Leap. Okay, I'm going to push play. I have to push it on the tablet over here. Get ready. Get ready.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Here it comes. Oh, no. I forgot we had to start. Hurry, hurry. Stand your.
Oh. And I heard it the whole time.
Wow, Will, you're getting so good with your flexible wrists.
I heard it, so I heard the cat the whole time.
You heard the cat.
I heard that.
You made your wrist look like a cat back. You did a good job. I'm going to give you 2 thumbs up. Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up and then push the red square to stop the video? Give yourself 2 thumbs up first.